In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fund Stripe account. Start by making sure you are already signed in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are logged in, go to the home page, so you are starting from the main dashboard view. This will help you find the payment tools more easily. From the left-hand sidebar, look for the Transactions option and click on it. This will open the Transactions page, where you can manage and create payment activity connected to your account. When the Transactions page loads, find the Create Payment option and select it. This will take you to the Payment Setup screen, where you can choose the type of payment you want to make. From the available payment options, choose Manual Payment. This allows you to enter the payment details directly and process the transaction yourself. Next, select one time as the payment frequency. This is the correct choice if you are adding a single payment rather than setting up something recurring. After that, enter the amount you want to add to your Stripe account. Make sure you type the correct value before moving on. It is always a good idea to double-check the amount so there are no mistakes. You will then need to enter a statement descriptor for the payment. This is the text that helps identify the transaction. So enter the descriptor required for your payment. Once that is done, fill in your payment card details. Enter the card number and any other required information shown on the form. Be careful to enter each detail accurately so the payment can be processed without issues. Before submitting anything, review all of the payment details on the screen. Check the payment type, the frequency, the amount, the statement descriptor, and the card information. Taking a moment to review everything can help you avoid errors. When you are satisfied that all the information is correct, click Submit Payment to complete the transaction. Stripe will then process the payment using the details you provided. After submitting, wait for the confirmation message to appear. This message will let you know that the funds have been successfully added to your Stripe account. Once you see that confirmation, the process is complete. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.